equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing your Nintendo Switch. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a tree-wing screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by turning off your Nintendo Switch and removing any game cartridges. Next, use the tree-wing screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the console. There are 4 screws to take out, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice any dust, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the area. It's essential to keep the internal parts clean to ensure optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, check the battery connections. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause issues. Ensure that the battery is securely connected to the motherboard. If you find any corrosion or dirt, clean it gently with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. This will help improve the connection and may resolve your issue. After checking the battery, let's move on to the screen. If your screen is unresponsive, it might be due to a faulty digitizer. To check this, you will need to disconnect the screen from the motherboard. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the screen in place. Once removed, carefully lift the screen and inspect the connectors. If they appear damaged, you may need to replace the screen entirely. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. Once you've completed your checks and any necessary repairs, it's time to reassemble your Nintendo Switch. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. Finally, power on your Nintendo Switch to see if the issues have been resolved. If it still doesn't work, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help you get your console back in action. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and repair your Nintendo Switch. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we are just a call away, offering no calls, no travel services to make your life easier. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.